What's the meaning of crypto dash? Crypto. Crypto.
Crypto. Crypto. The prefix crypto dash is derived from the Greek word kryptos, meaning hidden or secret. In modern usage, it is used to refer to the field of cryptography, which involves securing communication and data through encryption. It is also used to describe various digital currencies and assets that use cryptography for secure transactions. Additionally, the term is used in various contexts outside of technology, such as in medicine and biology, to describe hidden or obscure structures or processes. Overall, the prefix crypto dash denotes secrecy and security through encryption or other means of concealing information.